Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable base to LinkedIn Outreach email drafts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect your Airtable base to LinkedIn Outreach email drafts, begin by opening your Airtable account. Create a new base or select an existing one that houses your Outreach contacts. Within your base, ensure you have a table dedicated to your LinkedIn Outreach. This table should include columns for names, email address. Next, navigate to the Airtable Automations feature located in the upper right corner of your base. Click on the Create an Automation button to start. For the trigger, select when a record enters a view. Choose the specific view in your table that will prompt the automation. This view might include contacts that you want to reach out to. After setting your trigger, click on Add Action. Select Send an email from the action options. In the email setup, enter the recipient's email address using the dynamic field feature. This ensures that the email address is pulled directly from your Airtable base. Next, configure the subject line of your email. You might want to include the recipient's name for a personal touch. In the body of the email, draft your outreach message. Utilize dynamic fields to personalize the message further, such as adding the recipient's company name. Review your email to ensure all fields are correctly filled and formatted. After setting up the email, test the automation to ensure it works as intended. Set a test record in the view to see if an email gets triggered. If all works correctly, turn on the automation. Your Airtable base is now connected to automate outreach email drafts. Repeat this process whenever you wish to add new contacts to your outreach efforts. By following these steps, you can streamline your LinkedIn outreach directly through Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.